Hello and welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia and this month we have a break from our creative world tour and we are on the Digidesignresort island and use the vintage collection where we create several crafting projects. Today we are going to create this little gift box. Before we do, please subscribe to our channel, click the little bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video, and hit the like button. And once you have done that, we can get started. Print out the paper and on the other side print the template and then cut it all out. And it's pretty self-explaining, but I show you in the video step by step how that will work. So once we have all pieces cut out, I use my bone folder and the ruler and I go over the edges here to make my life easier and to get it folded much better, because it's really essential that you get the folding right here, and then you go over it with the bone folder. This helps us to have the whole thing well folded and then we can glue it together. So once we are done with the folding part, we grab the adhesive tape and put it all around the triangles, and to make sure we can glue it together. On everything has to go on the square here, and it's a little bit tricky because you need to do it very well, otherwise it doesn't fit. So make sure you take your time for this and then put it all together. So once again, press adhesive tape on the paper so you make sure that it's not going off again, and don't forget to add your present, of course, otherwise it's pretty tricky to edit at a later time. And once you have done that, you can put the thread through the holes here we have added and then we can make a knot and put it all together. So now make a knot inside and then put on the lavender here, or whatever herb you can think of. Put it on top. You can also put a little rose maybe, or whatever, depending on who gets the present. And then yeah, cut off what you don't need anymore, and that's it. Now you have your little gift together. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this project, and if so, please don't forget to come back at the next time. Until then, bye.